Blessings, blessings, blessings from Eat Good TV. Happy Columbus Day, America. May God bless you all and bless the world and bless all the Jamaicans. You know, I'm a Jamaican, so I always, love to bless up my Jamaican people. Today, we are making banana papaya smoothie. And here are the ingredients we need. We just need 3 ingredients: banana, papaya, and milk. And you can use whole milk. You can use any type of milk. So I'm gonna peel the bananas. And hope everybody day is going good, and hope all the American resting in the bed now and relaxing and enjoying the day. And hope everybody is healthy and well, No one is sick and in the hospital. The Lord bless me today. I'm up and I'm talking with you guys. I am happy. I'm above ground. I'm not underneath the earth. So I'm very happy. Every time you get up in the morning and the Lord bless you that you're up and you can talk and you can move, you just have to give Him thanks and praise. So I'm just peeling the papaya, and make sure the banana is washed and the papaya is washed. When you come home, always just wash your fruits, wash your vegetable. Make sure everything is nice and clean. I'm just gonna remove this little piece here. Just peel the papaya and just remove the little piece. Sometimes they have a little bump on it, something not good. You just remove it. Okay. And papaya is very good for you. It boosts your immune system. And banana, good potassium. And just remove the seeds. Just take the seed out. You don't need the seeds. And just place it in the blender. This is a delicious one. Delicious recipe. You're gonna enjoy it. And papaya is good for a lot of stuff. And just pour the milk in and just blend. If you have whole milk, just use your whole milk. And just blend. I just put it to the top here and just blend. And there you have it, family, your Papaya banana smoothie. Let me have a taste. Delicious, delicious to the last drop. You can put sweetener in it if you want to, but this is so good, so good. It is refreshing, it is delicious. So buy from Eat Good TV, enjoy your holiday, and buy from Eat Good TV. Love you guys, wish you all the best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Bye!